Welcome, everyone, to a comprehensive journey into the world of SQL databases. In this video, we'll cover everything from the basics to the applications and considerations that make SQL a cornerstone in the tech industry. The introduction about SQL database. Let's set the stage with a closer look at why SQL databases are so integral. In a data-driven world, the ability to efficiently manage, retrieve, and manipulate data is paramount. SQL databases provide a structured and organized approach, making them the backbone of countless applications. At its core, SQL is a powerful and standardized language designed for managing relational databases. Picture it as the key that unlocks the potential of databases, allowing us to interact seamlessly. As we explore, you'll see how SQL queries enable us to communicate with databases effectively. Key concepts in SQL. Delving into the key concepts, we find tables, rows, and columns. Imagine a spreadsheet where each row represents a unique record and each column signifies a specific attribute. These tables provide the structure needed for organized and efficient data storage. Relational databases in SQL. SQL's true power shines when managing relational databases. Imagine the interconnectedness of data, where tables relate to each other through defined relationships. Visualize it as a digital web, enhancing the efficiency and integrity of data storage. Applications of SQL. Now, let's explore real-world applications. Finance utilizes SQL for transaction management, ensuring the integrity of financial data. In healthcare, SQL safeguards patient records with precision. E-commerce platforms leverage SQL to manage vast product catalogs seamlessly. The applications are limitless. Security and performance considerations. As we venture deeper, security and performance become paramount. Visualize security measures like locks, ensuring that only authorized users access sensitive data. Consider performance graphs optimizing system efficiency, allowing for quick and reliable data retrieval. As we conclude this in-depth exploration, remember that SQL is more than a language, it's a skill that empowers you to navigate vast seas of data with confidence. Stay curious, practice regularly, and watch as SQL becomes your tool for unlocking endless possibilities in the tech landscape.